Amber Heard returns to court with Johnny Depp's involvement. Amber Heard returns to the courtroom, revisiting the dramatic trial that she co-starred in with her ex-husband, Johnny Depp, in the middle of this year. In this instance, the Aquaman actress has made the decision to refuse his or her insurance provider because, in her opinion, they have not complied with the agreement made prior to the court hearing. According to the jury, both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard were found guilty of defamation, though it is true that Depp was found to have less fault than Heard because Adam Waldman, her attorney, was present during the trial, who wrote the alleged defamatory tweets against Heard and not the actor himself. For this reason, the actress was ordered to pay Johnny Depp a $1 million indemnity, while Depp was also ordered to pay a smaller sum. According to the news website TMZ, Depp's apparent victory in the trial has become the ideal justification for Amber Heard's insurer to refuse to pay the sums agreed upon in a pre-trial agreement. According to the cited media, Amber Heard has launched a legal battle against the company New York Marine and General Insurance Co. to demand that payment for the civil liability insurance policy she hired to have a defense against defamation against her ex-husband be made. Policy that rises to $1 million. In fact, the actress claims that this payment should cover both the judgment and the verdict, meaning that the amount would be far higher. But the insurer company has cited California state law and stated that it is not required to cover any payments. The insurance company said that since the jury had found evidence that the actress acted incorrectly by intentionally spreading defamatory statements about Johnny Depp, they are not legally required to compensate Heard in any way. In contrast, Amber's legal team will attempt to prove that the company is violating the signed agreement given that New York Marine. In light of the fact that these details were recorded in a written instrument, the defendant had agreed to pay the costs of his defense and the trial without regard to the outcome, thus he would be suing them for breach of contract. It goes without saying that Amber Heard's finances have significantly declined since the court's decision against Johnny Depp was made public the previous June month. The actress was ordered to pay her ex-husband more than €10 million in damages and penalties, so she had to sell her California home and move to a community in Mallorca while it was decided what would happen to her acting career. For this reason, Amber will likely be looking for another economic exit, even though doing so will require engaging in a new legal battle.